If you're wondering if the white bullets really stick to anything, they will. Today, a short video to show off a new kid's toy, Dinosaur soft bullet guns. These are kind of like Nerf guns, except as you can see, they look like T-Rexes. Pretty dope, I think. So we'll get on the overhead rig, we'll unbox these, and then as soon as my daughter gets over here, we will try one of these out with her and have some fun and see exactly how they work and how far they shoot. Alright, so Dinosaur soft bullet gun. You get 2 dart guns in this package. Dinosaur soft bullet gun on the top, Shenanigans on the bottom. Cool little picture on the side here, includes 2 dart guns. Same on this side. In the back kind of shows you how they work. So it looks like there's maybe a T-Rex and a Triceratops. So let's open this up. Little tiny piece of tape here. 1, 2, bullets, more bullets, and looks like wrist straps to hold the bullets. But yeah, these seem to be Velcro stretchy wrist straps that are able to hold ammunition for you. And then these are all the little soft bullets that can stick to things. The T-Rex, he's green. He's my favorite. That's essentially it for the unboxing. Now, Kaylee should be here in a few days. Once she's here, we'll have her give these things a go and see how they work. All right, so we got everything out here. She's already got one of her ammo wrist straps on. She's gonna throw some bullets in the wrist strap and in the gun. So this gun is loaded now. I got 2 extra bullets up top and 1 in the mouth, ready to go. It's a battle, I am. All right, she's got to show your wrist strap. Look at her wrist strap with all the bullets on it, ready to go. I guess let's try to, should we aim at the target over there? All right, so once you put the bullet in, you pull back on the lever on the back. Bada bing. That one went further. Let's see how far mine goes. All right, we're gonna do this again. We're aiming at the dartboard.
Oh, wow.
It's the bullets.
I want to shoot the phone.
So those... So the white bullets don't seem to shoot as far as... Try one of these blue ones in it and stand back there where you were before. Yeah, she's locked and loaded. Yeah, see, that shoots a lot better, don't it?
Yeah.
The blue bullets are way better than the white bullets. Dang you and this ball, Zeppy.
I hit the trash can.
Nice job. If you're wondering if the white bullets really stick to anything, they will.